everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. I have something very exciting to share with you today. We do, obviously, if you follow us, we do a lot of video production, and I take a lot of product pictures too. So it's really important that we have a setup that gives us a good result. One big part of shooting a good video is lighting. I mean, lighting is everything. So I could go on Amazon, I could buy a light box, I could do all these things, and it'd be $30, $40, $50, $100. But I'm gonna make my own for less than 10 bucks. I'm gonna make two of them for less than 10 bucks, and I'm gonna show you how, and let's see if it makes a difference. Now, right now, I'm in our workroom. I've got a fluorescent light overhead, and then we're going to do our light boxes and amaze you. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna make a light box out of a styrofoam cooler and just a little cheap utility light. I got these at the dollar store. These were $5 a piece. I'm gonna make two of these. $5 a piece, so $10 for these, $2.50 a piece for these. I lied, I said $10, but it's gonna be $15 for both of these. Okay, so it's really important that everything be white because we want to reflect as much light as possible, but we don't want any direct light coming like onto me. We want to reflect that light and kind of diffuse it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a couple of strips of some double-sided tape. So let's stick this on the back. See what I'm doing there? Stick this on the back. Let's peel the backing. We're gonna stick this in here, not down like that because I don't want the light shining out like this. I'm gonna put it in like this, all the way down and all the way down here. So in here, all the way to the bottom, and then all the way against that wall, just like that. When I turn this on, see, it's gonna shine up in here and it's gonna reflect that light out. That's great, but we wanna diffuse this just a little bit more. I'm gonna grab a piece of white tissue paper. We don't want it to be clear, but we don't want it to block the light. We want it to be opaque. So anyway, we're gonna tape this down. And I'm just going to use some shipping tape. You can use duct tape. It doesn't look as good. All right, we got it taped down. Now this will let us reach in, turn our light on, put this down. Ta-da! Now let's see how it looks when we set it up. Okay, I'm gonna set this up here, and it's at about eye level, which is great. Now, if I reach in here and I turn this on, there we go. Flip this back down. That makes a really nice, soft light coming off, and it really makes a difference on my face. Now I'm gonna take another one of these. I'm gonna put it over on the opposite side of me. This is going to be my key light, which is the main light. The other is going to be my fill light, which is going to help balance out the shadows that this light creates. Okay, so here I am with only the fluorescent light that's above me. So now let's see what happens when I turn on our homemade lights. It's not a huge difference, but it does make a difference. But this is a lot better than what we've been doing. And like I said, I did these for $15. So $7.50 a piece. And you would have paid probably 50, 60 bucks for a good light box on Amazon. So I would say this was a win. Thanks for hanging out with me for a few minutes. I hope you learned something. This really isn't particularly about woodworking or painting or anything like that, but it is all kind of indirectly related. So I hope it helps you. If you like this, please let us know. Please like, comment, and share on our YouTube channel. Hook up with us at www.applevalleyfarmga.com or give us a shout at info@applevalleyfarmga.com. And if we can do something for you, please let us know. Have a great day. Take care. Please be safe. Go make something.